Kailasahar, a serene town, rests in the northern region of Tripura, a state in India's northeast. This quaint town is often overlooked by travelers, but those who venture here are rewarded with a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The town's charm lies in its simplicity and the warmth of its people, making it a perfect getaway for those seeking peace and tranquility. Known for its natural beauty, it is a hidden gem. The landscapes here are a painter's dream, with rolling hills, dense forests, and sparkling rivers that create a picturesque setting. The air is fresh, and the environment is unspoiled, offering a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town is nestled amidst lush greenery. The verdant surroundings are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. The dense forests provide a perfect backdrop for leisurely walks and adventurous treks, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the region. Rolling hills and sparkling rivers define its landscape. These natural features not only add to the scenic beauty of Kailasahar, but also offer opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, birdwatching, and picnicking by the riverside. The gentle sound of flowing water and the rustling of leaves create a soothing ambience that is perfect for relaxation. Kailasahar offers a tranquil escape from the ordinary. Whether you are looking to unwind in a peaceful setting or explore the natural wonders of the area, this town has something to offer. The serene environment and the slow pace of life here provide a perfect antidote to the stress and chaos of modern living. The town is named after the nearby Kailashahar hill. This prominent hill is not just a geographical feature, but also a significant cultural landmark. It stands as a sentinel over the town, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and serving as a reminder of the town's rich heritage. This hill holds mythological significance. According to local legends, it is believed to be a sacred site where divine beings once roamed. The hill is often visited by pilgrims and spiritual seekers who come here to pay their respects and soak in the spiritual energy that is said to emanate from this ancient site. Legend says that Lord Shiva rested here during his travels. This adds a layer of mystique and reverence to the hill, making it a place of pilgrimage for devotees of Lord Shiva. The spiritual aura of the place is palpable, and many visitors report feeling a deep sense of peace and connection to the divine. Kailasahar is a place where nature and spirituality intertwine. The town's serene natural environment and its spiritual heritage create a unique atmosphere that is both calming and uplifting. Visitors often find themselves drawn to the tranquil beauty of the place, feeling a sense of renewal and inspiration. It captivates visitors with its charm. From the friendly locals to the stunning landscapes, every aspect of Kailasahar leaves a lasting impression. Whether you are here for a short visit or a longer stay, the town's beauty and tranquility will make you want to return again and again. Kailasahar is embraced by dense forests. These forests are not just a collection of trees, but a living, breathing entity that has stood the test of time. They are a testament to nature's resilience and beauty, offering a sanctuary for countless species and a retreat for those seeking solace in the lap of nature. These forests are a treasure trove of biodiversity. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every inch of this forest is teeming with life. The dense undergrowth provides shelter to numerous creatures, while the towering trees offer a haven for birds and arboreal animals. This symphony of sounds, from the chirping of birds to the rustling of leaves, creates a mesmerizing orchestra that captivates the senses. Towering trees create a canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight. This dappled light creates a magical ambience, casting intricate patterns on the forest floor. The interplay of light and shadow adds to the mystique of the forest, making every step a journey of discovery. The canopy also plays a crucial role in maintaining the forest's microclimate, ensuring that the ecosystem thrives. The air is fresh and fragrant, infused with the scent of earth and blossoms. Every breath taken in this forest feels rejuvenating, as if the very essence of life is being inhaled. The fragrance of wildflowers mixed with the earthy aroma of the forest floor creates a heady mix that lingers long after one has left the forest. This unique blend of scents is a reminder of the forest's vitality and its role in sustaining life. The forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna. Each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the ecosystem. The plants, with their myriad shapes and colors, provide food and shelter to countless animals. The animals, in turn, help in pollination and seed dispersal, ensuring the forest's continued growth and regeneration. This intricate web of life is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature. Exotic orchids bloom on the forest floor. These delicate flowers, with their vibrant colors and intricate patterns, add a touch of elegance to to the forest. They are a symbol of the forest's diversity and its ability to nurture life in the most unexpected places. The sight of these orchids blooming amidst the dense undergrowth is a reminder of nature's wonders and its endless capacity to surprise. Colorful birds flit through the branches, their vibrant plumage stands out against the green backdrop, creating a visual spectacle that is hard to forget. These birds, with their melodious calls and graceful movements, add to the forest's charm. They are not just a treat for the eyes, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the forest's health by aiding in pollination and seed dispersal. Monkeys chatter from the treetops. Their playful antics and curious nature make them a delight to watch. These intelligent creatures are an integral part of the forest ecosystem, helping in seed dispersal and maintaining the balance of the forest. Their presence adds a touch of liveliness to the forest, making it a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The forests of Kailasahar are a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Whether it's birdwatching, trekking, or simply soaking in the beauty of nature, there's something for everyone. The forest trails offer a chance to explore the hidden gems of the forest, from secluded waterfalls to ancient trees. For those seeking adventure, the forest provides a perfect backdrop for thrilling escapades. They offer a glimpse into the untouched beauty of the region. In a world where natural habitats are rapidly disappearing, the forests of Kailasahar stand as a beacon of hope. They remind us of the importance of preserving our natural heritage and the need to live in harmony with nature. The untouched beauty of these forests is a testament to the wonders of the natural world and the endless possibilities it holds. The landscape of Kailasahar is characterized by its undulating terrain. Hills rise and fall, creating picturesque valleys. These hills offer breathtaking views of the surroundings. One can trek to the top and enjoy the panoramic vista. The valleys below are carpeted in emerald green. Rivers and streams meander through these valleys, their waters sparkling in the sunlight. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing effect. The hills and valleys of Kailasahar are perfect for those seeking adventure and tranquility. Kailasahar is blessed with a mild climate throughout the year. The summers are pleasant, with gentle breezes blowing in from the hills. The monsoons transform the landscape into a verdant paradise. Winters are cool and comfortable, ideal for exploring the outdoors. This pleasant climate enhances the beauty of Kailasahar's natural attractions. Visitors can enjoy outdoor activities year-round. Whether it's trekking, boating, or simply relaxing amidst nature, Kailasahar offers something for everyone. Section 5. Echoes of the Past. Kailasahar is steeped in history and culture. This quaint town, nestled in the northeastern state of Tripura, India, is a treasure trove of historical wonders and cultural heritage. As you wander through its streets, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, echoing through the ancient structures and ruins that dot the landscape. The town's rich history is reflected in its architecture, traditions, and the stories passed down through generations. Ancient temples and ruins dot the landscape, whispering tales of a bygone era. These remnants of the past are not just stones and bricks, they are storytellers, each with a unique narrative of the people who once lived here. The temples, with their intricate carvings and detailed architecture, speak of a time when art and spirituality were deeply intertwined. The lush greenery surrounding these ruins adds to the mystique, making it a perfect place for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The Unakoti Hill, located near Kailasahar, is a renowned archaeological site. This hill is not just a geographical feature, it is a canvas of history, adorned with rock carvings that date back centuries. The name Unakoti means one less than a crore, and it is believed that there are almost a crore, 10 million rock carvings and sculptures on this hill. Each carving is a masterpiece, reflecting the artistic prowess of the craftsmen of that era. It features stunning rock carvings dating back to the 8th and 9th centuries. These carvings are not just artistic expressions, they are windows into the past, offering a glimpse into the religious and cultural practices of the time. The intricate details and the sheer scale of these carvings are awe-inspiring, leaving visitors marveling at the skill and dedication of the ancient artists. These carvings depict Hindu deities and mythological scenes. The stories of gods and goddesses, battles and victories, love and devotion are etched into the rocks, preserving the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology. Each carving tells a story, inviting visitors to delve deeper into the myths and legends that have shaped the cultural landscape of this region. They are a testament to the rich artistic heritage of the region. The craftsmanship displayed in these carvings is a reflection of the high level of skill and artistry that existed in ancient times. The artists who created these masterpieces were not just craftsmen. They were storytellers, historians, and visionaries, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and awe. The local tribes have their own unique traditions and beliefs, often intertwined with nature. These tribes have lived in harmony with the natural world for centuries, their customs and rituals reflecting a deep respect for the environment. Their traditional attire, dances, and ceremonies are a vibrant expression of their cultural identity, adding another layer to the rich tapestry of KAILASAHAR's heritage. The connection between the people and the land is palpable, creating a sense of continuity and belonging that is both timeless and profound. In Kailasahar, life moves at a slower pace in harmony with the rhythm of nature. The locals share a deep connection with their surroundings. Agriculture is the mainstay of the economy, with farmers cultivating rice, pineapples, and other crops. The people of Kailasahar are known for their warm hospitality, welcoming visitors with open arms. The town offers a glimpse into a simpler way of life where nature truly takes center stage. Kailasahar is a melting pot of different cultures and traditions. The indigenous Tripuri people make up a significant portion of the population. Their vibrant culture is reflected in their music, dance, and handicrafts. The town also has a sizable Bengali population. This blend of cultures creates a unique and enriching experience for visitors. Festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm, showcasing the diversity of the region. Kailasahar is an ideal destination for those seeking a break from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural immersion, and adventure. Trekking enthusiasts can explore the numerous hills and forests. Nature lovers can immerse themselves in the tranquility of the surroundings. History buffs can delve into the rich past of the region. Kailasahar is a place where one can reconnect with nature and discover inner peace. Kailasahar, with its unspoiled beauty and serene ambience, beckons travelers seeking an offbeat destination. The town offers a glimpse into the heart of rural India, where life is simple and nature reigns supreme. Come, explore the hidden gem of Kailasahar and create memories that will last a lifetime. Kailasahar awaits your arrival.